Hello, today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite dishes, tacos al pastor. It's a popular Mexican dish that has loved many people, both in Mexico and around the world. Tacos al pastor is made with marinated pork, which is cooked on a vertical rotisserie, similar to shawarma. The meat is seasoned with a mix of chilies, pineapple, and other spices, giving it a combination of savory and sweet flavors. The key ingredients in tacos al pastor are pork, achiote, pineapple, tortillas, and toppings like onion, cilantro, and salsa. These ingredients come together to create a delicious taco that's simply put, packed with flavor. Why tacos al pastor are loved? Tacos al pastor is so popular because of its unique flavor. The combination of savory pork and sweet pineapple is unlike anything else. It's also a great street food because it's easy to eat on the go, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. My experience with tacos al pastor, I had the chance to try tacos al pastor, and I can say it's one of my favorite dishes. The mix of flavors is amazing and literally connects me to Mexican culture. Why I chose tacos al pastor? I chose tacos al pastor because it's not only a delicious dish but also one that represents Mexican cuisine. A dish you have to try if you want to experience authentic and Mexican food. In conclusion, to sum up, tacos al pastor is a beloved dish because of its taste and cultural significance. I highly recommend giving it a try.